Hey, what up, guys? It is JP Outdoors here, and today I'm gonna be fishing this small little creek right up here. The setup I'll be using today is a Abu Garcia Silver Max 10. I have 8-pound mono up here, and I'll just be using this little 132-ounce jig head with a little I forgot what they're called. Has a little, the original baby shad up there, and the color is like dancing chicken or electric chicken, I think. So I've caught some pretty nice bluegill out of this creek before using night crawlers. So I don't know how it's going to do it artificial, but I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, wow. Oh, bro, I just had one right here at the bank. Come and take it. We're gonna be trying to do a catch and cook today. So that's how we're out here fishing. Dang. Had another one come up and hit it. And well, these guys kind of calmed down on it. I guess let's give her the old cast out. Got one. Dang. Oh, it's a bass. It's actually a nice little bass. Holy moly. Would you look at that? Wow. First cast out deep, caught a bass. He's not really what we're looking for. We're trying to do a bluegill catch and cook. So we're looking for some bluegill. So nice little bass. That was it hit the water and that bass already had it in his mouth. That was awesome. My first time ever using these baits. I got the idea to use these baits from watching Creek Fishing Adventures channel. He fishes a lot of small little, just had a bite right there. He fishes he fishes a lot of small creeks and uses these little crappy magnets, and he tears them up. Like I said, I'm looking for bluegill. I know for a fact there is some big juicy bluegill in here. Dang. All right, again. Not what we're looking for. Another little bass. Nice little bass, but not what we're looking for. I didn't know that there were so many little bass in here. I didn't know there was bass in here. Just had a bite. That felt like a bluegill. He was nibbling on it. These bass straight inhale it. Now I'm seeing bluegill right here in front of me. They ain't the biggest bluegill in the world. I know there's a lot bigger bluegill in here. Don't know where they're at. No, they're in here though. I know the bluegill in here are big enough, so I'm only looking for like 2 big ones. Cause I know 2 big ones that's like, it's a nice little lunch. Two of the big bluegill, that's a nice little lunch. I guess I'm gonna go give the other side a try. You know, basically fish this whole side. Oh, I had one actually. Dang. I literally just dipped it in the water. Didn't even set the hook on. I like dipped it in the water, picked it up, and this is what came out. No cuts or nothing. Pretty little speckled robin. Again, not what we were looking for though. I know this creek has the bluegill in it. I know it does. So, there he is. About to say, I just caught a bass, but he swam under that stuff and got me hung up. That was the bait that got away. He took my bait off. So that's 3 bass and 1 speckled robin. Again, I'm loving catching bass. Not what we're after, but forget it. Still fun. Wonder if I can catch a bluegill on just a jig head. Yeah. I think I might actually have me a bluegill. Nope, speckled robin again. Dang, so that's 3 bass, 2 speckled robin. Yeah, I think I had to show you slime. I never knew creek fishing was so fun. Dang. All right. Caught my share of fish over here. I guess we're gonna migrate back to this side. I got something. I think it could be a bluegill. It is our first bluegill. I literally just threw it out there and let it sit. Pretty one. Very pretty bluegill. Not really the right size to eat though. Very pretty bluegill though. Now if I can catch those big ones like we were catching the other week that we came in here, if I can just get 2 of those, that's what I'm looking for. I guess the big bluegill went ahead and moved on back because right back there in those areas, that's where we were catching all the big bluegill. Catching them right back there. I just broke off. Not bad. I caught 3 bass and 2 speckled robin, and a bluegill. Whew. Now if I can just catch, I'll even take 1 big bluegill to have for lunch. 1 big bluegill. Well, I finished the day with 3 bass, 1 bluegill, and 2 speckled robin. Well, yeah. I guess, yeah, I only fished for maybe 40, 50 minutes. That's not bad. I'm happy with that. I'll take that. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been JP Outdoors. Don't forget to like and subscribe.